Hello, all the designers and crafters. Welcome to this brand new video. Um, in this video, I'm going to talk about the amazing deals that Creative Fabrica has for us as crafters and designers. They have an amazing deal, and this amazing deal is the all access subscription. You can try it for free. You see here, try out or free trial. You can try it for free. You can try everything for free. And it says you can sign up for free and get access to all resources. Get your first 10 downloads for free. Commercial use allowed on all resources. And it renews every month $9, and you can cancel at any time, no question asked, and anything. Let me show you how amazing this thing is. 10 reasons you should join the all access subscription today. You have access to all designs you can think of. Look at how many print on demand designs you can use on different platforms as Printify, Printful, Amazon, Etsy, and all those places. You can use those designs there. They have graphics, they have fonts, embroidery designs, and all that. They have classes too. Okay, here's a set about the designs, unlimited designs. Every day, images are being edited by creators, by designers like me. I'm one of those designers here. We add images on a daily basis, and all images they come with commercial license, so you don't have to be afraid of being sued and all those things. They come with commercial license. And the other one, let me see this. You will get designs you're looking for, really. And here, you can request personal designs. There are designers here that you can contact, and you tell them what you want to be made for you, what you want to be designed for you. You give them a description or a sketch, and then they will create for you exactly what you want. That's amazing. That's amazing. And also you have CF Spark. That's the AI program. You have the AI program also, where you can design AI designs, AI images like this here, right here, and many more. And also on this YouTube channel, I will have some classes about the AI program. Okay, let's go to the next one. Yeah, you can follow classes here. You can take classes here. There are different very experienced crafters that host classes on this site. You can learn a lot here. You can find the exact class you're looking for right in here. All this is in the all access subscription. You can join it for free. You get discounts. You get discounts in different deals. There are different people, businesses selling here, and you get discounts on their websites to purchase stuff. You see, you can purchase markers and pens, get 20% off, and everything else. Okay, and few fonts in one simple overview. Oh yeah, you can find fonts here and all that. You can create unique word cloud art with ease. Yeah, you can upload your stuff there in the word cloud. And there's a lot more. So many benefits, I can tell you. When you come here, you create an account here, you look for the images you're looking for, you will find something. If you don't find something, like we said here, you can hire some people here, and they will create for you what you're looking for. This deal is amazing. You won't be disappointed. It's amazing. If you're a crafter, you're a designer, you sell online, e-commerce and all that, or you have a shop where you sell like physical products that you print at your home or in your shop, Creative Fabrica is the place to be. Creative Fabrica is the place to be to find all the beautiful images that you're looking for. Beautiful fonts, AI images. You can create your own. You can create backgrounds and all that. I will put the link of this deal in the description below. don't let this go by. Don't let this go by. Take this deal. It will be free. Like when you sign up, you go in free. You get free access. You can download your first images free, and then after your 10 images, it will be, your subscription will be updated. But it's only $10 a month, and for that $10 you can use whatever you want, whatever image you want on this site. Okay, and you can cancel anytime if you don't want it anymore. I will put the link in the description below for you. Don't let this go by. You will get it. It will be amazing. And I will also have, like I said, I will have classes, AI classes for you, show you how it works, tell you how to create your own images right here. I will show you, will help you. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I will get back with you. We will do this together. What you don't know, you can ask in the comments below, and I will see if I can find the answer for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.